What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Finally we have got the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic here in the studio. In today's video, let's unbox this beauty and check out how it looks and feels. I will not be deep diving into this watch in today's video. The full review is coming up very soon, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now the box itself, you can see it's a small, elegant looking white colored box with Galaxy Watch 8 Classic written on it. The moment you open it, you will see this gorgeous looking Galaxy Watch 8 Classic right on top. And inside we have got the strap right here. It is a leather looking rubber strap that we have, and we have got one more box here inside which we have got the charging cable, the wireless charger, which is something similar to the previous gen chargers that we have seen. First, let's check out this strap here. This is a brand new lug system which Samsung has introduced with the Galaxy Watch 8 series. And this is unlike the last year's system that we have, so you'll not be able to use the watch bands from the last year. Let me just quickly compare the lug system of Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with the previous gen Galaxy Watch Ultra. As you can see, it is slightly different, so you'll not be able to use those straps on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Fixing these straps is quite simple. Just attach the band to the frame and press it. As simple as that. And to remove it, just press the button which is on the back of the dial itself and it just comes out. Now let's check out the watch here. It looks just beautiful with the stainless steel frame. I had just got about 16 centimeter wrist, which is a lean wrist, and this watch comes in just one size, which is 46 mm. Unlike the previous gen Watch Classics where we had two options, two different sizes, this year it is just one size, and you might be worried if you have a leaner wrist. But as you can see, it is just 16 centimeter wrist that I have, and it looks perfectly fine. It is slightly bulky, but even on the leaner wrist, I don't think you'll have any issues with this watch. Now connecting the watch to the phone is pretty simple. As soon as you turn on the watch, you will see a pop-up on the Galaxy phone. Follow some prompts and you will be able to connect the watch easily in simple steps. It will just take a couple of minutes. Now let's talk a bit about the design first. Samsung has really leaned into the classic moniker this year, bringing back that traditional watch aesthetic but with a modern twist. You can see it has that squircle design which debuted with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, where it's not quite round, not quite square, but a very appealing hybrid. And the star of the show, of course, is the physical rotating bezel. The haptics on this feels incredibly precise and tactile. It just makes navigating the watch so much more intuitive and satisfying. This is a game changer for daily use. Now let me just quickly bring in the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and compare the design here. If you want a detailed comparison video between these two watches, do let me know in the comment section. As you can see, both the watches look pretty cool. I personally like the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's design, but the newer Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has got this modern touch as well, which also looks pretty cool. You let me know which design do you prefer, drop a comment. The rotating bezel is also quite different. It is quite thinner on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, paving way for the larger screen real estate, whereas on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, the screen size is slightly smaller than the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's 46 mm size. On the sides, we do have two buttons here, and we also have the third button at the center. This is a new quick button, which is great addition for launching applications or features quickly. Now out of the box, Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic ships with the Wear OS 6, overlaid with Samsung's One UI 8 watch. This brings a ton of new features and improvements, including new multi-info tiles and streamlined notifications. You can see this beautiful looking app tray here. You've got the recents button on the top, and as you scroll down, you will see this option Set View, by tapping on which you can select either grid or list view. And this is how the list view looks like. If there is an activity running in the background, it shrinks into this now bar, and this now bar is similar to the one that we have on the Galaxy phones. So that's a new addition on the One UI Watch 8. I will deep dive into One UI Watch 8 in a separate video and explain you guys all the new features, so stay tuned for that video as well. Now let's talk a bit about the specifications as well. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic runs on Samsung's latest and most powerful processor, the Exynos W1000 3nm chip. This means snappier performance, smoother animations, and overall a much more responsive experience compared to the previous generations. It also boasts 2 GB of RAM and a generous 64 GB of internal storage, which is fantastic for storing more applications, music, and data. The display is 1.34-inch Super AMOLED panel with a resolution of 438 by 438 pixels. This 1.34-inch is slightly smaller than what we usually get on the 46 mm Galaxy watches. Maybe Samsung wanted to incorporate this rotating bezel on this squircle shape, and they had to shrink the screen size so that's a bummer. But the highlight here is it boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits. That's incredibly bright, which means excellent outdoor visibility. And the watch is rated 5 ATM, IP68 water and dust resistant, and it's also MIL STD 810H compliant, so the watch is going to be quite durable as well. Now let's talk a bit about the sensors and health features. This watch comes with bioactive sensor, which is a similar sensor which was on the Galaxy Watch Ultra last year, and apparently Samsung has made some slight advancements to provide a better and accurate readings with this sensor. This sensor includes optical biosignal sensor, electrical heart signal, bioelectrical impedance analysis, which is BIA. Other sensors include temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, light sensor, 3D Hall sensor, and SpO2, which is blood oxygen. All this is included on this watch. Now, as far as health tracking features are concerned, apart from the ones that we already had, the regular ones, we do have some new features on this watch which will be exclusively for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. We've got enhanced sleep insights, bedtime guidance for circadian rhythm tracking, snow detection and energy score, and we have got something called vascular load monitoring, and we also have antioxidant index which measures carotenoids in skin. And this was quite interesting. I tried measuring this. When you tap on measure, it will ask you to hold the sensor on the back of the watch with your thumb, and it will measure the antioxidant index. And then we have got running coach, high stress alert, ECG and blood pressure monitoring, and body composition analysis. Now all these new features are available on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I will deep dive into all these features. I will probably make a separate dedicated video for all the health centric features on the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Let me know if you need it, drop a comment. Now apart from all this, we do have Google's Gemini, which is debuted on this watch, and Gemini has also started rolling out for the previous gen Galaxy watches. So that will not remain exclusive to the Galaxy Watch 8 series. It will come to the previous generation watches as well, but these new health-centric features will remain exclusive to the Galaxy Watch 8 series. That is more or less what we need to know about the watch. Now let's talk about the pricing. For our viewers in the US, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is priced at $499 for the Bluetooth only model, and if you want to stay connected without your phone, the LTE version will cost you about $549 or $550. It's available in both black and white color options in the US as well. Of course, you will have some trade-in offers in the US. As far as India is concerned, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic starts at $46,999 for the Bluetooth variant and $50,999 for the LTE variant. And you do have the bank cashback offers, which will cut the prices by almost 12,000 rupees on both the variants. I would say the pricing is pretty decent. I do not have any complaints on that. You guys let me know which watch have you pre-ordered, whether it's Galaxy Watch 8 Classic or the regular one, or any other previous generation Galaxy watches. Drop a comment and let me know. I will come back to you guys with the complete review of this watch. We will also compare this watch with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the Galaxy Watch 8 regular. Stay tuned, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you haven't downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse, go ahead, download it. The link is in the description. There are some amazing free and premium wallpapers available on the application. We are also adding live wallpapers very soon, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.